Okay, well, good morning. Woke up to about 4 or 6 inches of snow. It's still coming down like crazy. Got in late last night. It was dark coming in. Had to lug all my gear through the woods, and then ate some pork chops and just hung out and went to bed. So not much to show from last night, but got a good sleep. Pretty warm in there with the wood stoves burning. Had a good breakfast today, and probably just gonna march around in the woods, check out this snow. So it's beautiful out here.
This is the worst part of snow. The floor gets wet. I just launched it all in.
Well, it's clearing up a little bit. We burned too much gas last night, so we're going to use that as an excuse to drive the logging roads, look for moose, and go to town to get some gas. So hopefully we see something. Snowed on the old Bronco. Thick. Whew. Whew, all right, well, made it back to camp. Got a few gallons of gas. Gonna make a turkey wrap or something, and just probably relax the rest of the day. About 50-mile round trip just for a little bit of gas.
Wheelbarrow cam.
Yeah.
Wouldn't have to get another one. I don't know.
Got a new electrical system.
A new battery charger, and it has a charge controller in it, so when the battery gets up to 100%, it'll just trickle charge. Get them hooked up right. Red to positive, black to negative.
There it is. Oh, they were low.
Yeah.
That power is supplied from the generator into these that store it. Well, got some chores done around the cabin, and cousin Justin's coming up, so gonna hang out with him, cook up some steaks tonight, and then about 25 degrees out here. It's really not that cold though. Hot in the cabin though. It's too cold out here and too hot in there. It's like 90 in there and 20 something out here. You're either sweating or shaking. Well, she's really coming down now. Can't see the mountains across the lake anymore. The water's real low too. Our beach is usually where that flat rock is, so it's out about another 50 feet right now. Tomorrow it's supposed to get down to 20 with 45-mile-per-hour gusts. So it's gonna be cold. Grilling up some of these nice local ribeyes for dinner.
And threw about a 2
I don't think I've ever seen that.
I don't remember what I was looking for.
ended up being this, rot or can, so I wouldn't have taken it home and just made a soup. What? $100 worth of meat.
Holy!
Put the lid on it. Yeah, it's that one.
All right, well, we just ate some steak, pretty good, and going to bed, so see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Okay, well, good morning. I'm heading up the hill right now, up at first light. Justin and my dad have had this hunting trip planned for a while, so I don't hunt, but I'm just gonna follow my dad around, probably ruin his chances, and document the whole thing, so should be fun. It'll be like hiking. But right now I'm gonna put a dent in this bathroom and eat some sausage, and then we're gonna try and get on the trail. It's about 5 a.m. and 20 something degrees. It's cold, so anyway.
Yeah.
Whew, definitely cold. We're about to head out.
This is the worst part about snow. Everything gets wet.
The wind is whipping. Definitely colder than yesterday.
What is it? Yeah, 25.
25 degrees. What did it say? 45-degree wind gusts today?
Yeah.
Whew.
Going in, and it'll get too thick, so then just take a skidder track for feeding, and it's bedded. Just
Okay.
and like I said, I don't know if they're walk down the road.
Justin went out that way. We're gonna go this way. just made it.
See the surveyor's ribbons?
Yeah.
There's a line there. That's the edge of the cut. So
there's a deer right down there. Looks like a mama and a baby. False alarm, it was a leaf. Just cut Justin's track. Sun's coming out. Still cold as hell. Justin.
So sometimes you can
Tell if it's still warm.
no, I mean you can feel the imprint.
Oh, looks like Justin might be following this deer track right here. I'm just taking pictures. The cameraman never dies, right? Just found a bunch of tracks. It looks like Justin jumped a deer and we just heard a gunshot. Did you hear that shot? A doe, because the buck couldn't fit through those trees. You think those could be buck tracks?
I don't know. I gotta find better sign.
Following these deer tracks to see if we can find where they were bedded down.
It's a big body deer.
There's where it was bedded down. Yeah, look, you can see where it walked in a circle and laid down.
Kind of white sheep,
Yeah.
but it's not musky. The tarsal gland leaks a scent and it smells like underarms.
Oh, that's fresh.
Yes, that's like,
Fresh track. Which way are they going that way?
I have to get a good look at a print.
Sun's coming out. It's the first time I've seen the sun since I got here.
Me too.
Working through these alders to go to a clearing, and then we're gonna head back up to the car. Cold. Just got to the clearing. Those 40-mile-per-hour gusts are coming in. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, there's the truck.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. Did a couple-mile loop. Got back to the car. Gonna warm up in here for a bit. Warming up and driving up the hill to see if Justin got that buck he was following, or if he's coming down the hill. Justin's heading home. He said he saw how many deer? 4?
Yeah.
Said he saw 4 deer and he had a buck in the trigger, and then it ran off. Or a buck in his sights, and then it ran off. So we're heading back to camp. We're cold. Big gust says feels like 13 out. Beautiful day out now. Just 13 miserable degrees.
Fun-filled degrees.
Yeah, fun-filled degrees. Drove over to the boat launch, see what it looks like from this side of the lake. The sun's out, it's beautiful right now. It stepped out there and then the boat would go here. Oh my God. Sublimation. Wow. Yeah, it's beautiful. It is cold down here on this point. Holy. Looks like the Arctic Circle. Whew. All right, well, just parked back at camp. Gonna lug the last couple of gallons of gasoline in and get that wood stove cranking and eat a turkey wrap. So, whew, man, it got cold. I felt warm this morning, but God almighty, I gotta chill. Oh, Lordy. Oh, wow. Fog cleared up. You can see across the lake. Wow, icicles got bigger. Oh, gotta get some water. Hiking down a path near our camp. Oh! Almost went down. Woodpeckers. Just about back to camp. Getting dark, about 3:45. That hill up there is called Harrington Hill because my grandpa was eating a tin of herring and it was leaking, so he left it down at camp and then found it up there with tooth holes in it and just the tin left, so that's why it's called Harrington Hill. The bear ate it. There she is. We back. Taking a real quick bucket bath out here in the cold. Just heated up a bucket of water. Gonna dump it over my head after I soap up, barefoot on the snow, and it's about 15 degrees outside. Whew. Okay, all cleaned up. Gonna cook some dinner and go to bed. Just gonna cook up some pre-made lasagna tonight, nice and easy. 375, 20 minutes. Woo! Looks good. Well, we both just split the pan of lasagna. Look at the size of that hog. Polished her off.
Yes, sir. Well, I thought you were talking to me.
Good night. Well, good morning. It's about 8 a.m. I slept way longer than I wanted to, but about 40 degrees today. It's gonna warm up. The sun actually came out. So we're gonna hike some stuff out to the car, install this new solar panel so we can trickle charge the cabin without running the generator. And that's it for today. Might try and drive the Bronco around, but gonna wait for the snow to melt a bit, eat some oatmeal, and get after it. So here we go. Justin cut these 2x4s yesterday. Gonna mount it to the side of the house. What direction's that face? South? East facing. Okay, well, we were gonna hook it up right here, which will feed into the battery room and storage room. The issue is, in November, the sun just does a loop right there. It's really low, but in the summer, arcs across the whole lake. So we'll get plenty of sun at that time. Put it right here then, and then we'll wire through that hole. Okay, so we need to make a frame for this. Then this will go in above the batteries.
Blue light on?
Yep, blue light's on here. Getting her in. The issue is we just got to get it to tilt a little bit so it goes south. So we're going to put a wood wedge or something back there. We just don't have much to work with. Just going to stack 6 washers under each side, get a good angle. Yep, that'll work. That's good. Now we're at the angle. Oh, it is icy. Holy.
You got the whole thing?
Yeah, I got it.
Well, 2 things we got to see. One, that's plenty. That's good right there, right?
Yeah.
Gives a couple feet.
Yeah, and it's got a good angle to it too. So we've got to cut this wire, get it in that hole, and splice it, and then feed it into the electric system, and theoretically it should work. Then we'll have to splice it to make it longer, wire it across, and we'll mount it right there to charge the batteries. Right there. Cut that one. We just gotta splice these 2 together. All right, just spliced them together. We gotta do it to the other side now. Make sure it works, and then get it all tied up. Wrap it in a little electrical tape. Just tested it, the connection's good, so just gotta wire it up, and then we're good to go. Inaugural battery. So you're hooking it up. Got them on. Plug it up. Should see that blue light come on. There she is. And it says charging.
Yeah, it was just barely over the red.
So it went up?
Yes, it's charging.
All right.
Yay!
We got solar. That was pretty easy. Well, it's up. We'll see what that does to the battery. That didn't take too long, about 2 hours. Not bad. Got solar power now. Had to move it down just a little bit to get it out of the wind, but looks good. 50 watts, I believe. Huh. Some kind of dog or cat track right here. It's got 4 toes. Holy moose print. It looks like the moose came down here, saw this fence, and headed back out or something. Yeah. Some coyote or a wolf down here. Maybe it was a bobcat and a moose. Right back here behind camp. Cool. Just driving the old Bronco up to get a little service real quick. Big old clear cut.
Oh, that's what it was.
Took the Bronco out on the lake. Dip her right in. There she is. Got her back. Heading back into camp. We're gonna see if that eagle comes back by. It came back at 6:50 yesterday morning and 3:50 at night. So we're gonna see if it comes at the exact same time tonight. We got about 40 minutes. The moose came back through since we left and cut our footpath. Wow. Alrighty, just got back to camp. I only slipped and fell down once hiking back in. Went from 90 to 180 completely horizontal in a millisecond. Busted my ass. But we're back now. Gonna wait for that eagle.
Well, you were right. Look at that beautiful bird.
That eagle came by right on schedule, about 5 minutes early actually. Flew right down there, so we think it probably beds that way, fishes up in Williams Stream, and then comes back down at night. But anyway, gonna cook up some spaghetti, and about 3:40, so almost dinner time, and then sunset's at 4, so bedtime at 7.
What's that?
I could have put it on gas cam.
Gas can! Whoa!
Oh,
That was dumb. Cut that part out, please.
just switching her off solar to gas. Charged up everything, the solar.
Positive, negative, boom.
Solar got it up about halfway. That's good. Oh.
Oh, good morning.
Oh, slept in. It's 8 a.m.
Let the fire go out. It's like 45 degrees in here. I'm cold. Time to eat some breakfast to get moving. Oh, Lordy me. Oh, God.
Outhouse trail is complete ice. It's slick, you can't even get up it. I was spinning trying to run up the hill. But anyway, my flight's tomorrow, so I gotta get back to Bangor. My dad's gonna stay one more day, so we're just gonna pack out what we can today and kind of close down the camp preemptively. Just found a little otter den right up the way. You could see where they were slipping and sliding, and some little paw marks and a big pile of poop. There's his little print. And he slipped right up through here and then was eating or pooping right there. Slipped down. So I'm gonna go back there tonight and see if I can't see him. But anyway, we're gonna start hiking stuff up to the car. Oh, deer tracks and moose tracks everywhere behind our camp. We gotta drive into town real quick, so hopefully we see something. It's really nice out. Whew, barely got out of there. Icy. Beautiful day. It's slickery doo-dah. All right, just made it back and thought it was warm and it's not. I'm pretty cold, so don't know what I'm gonna do. I might just sit on the beach. I might make a fire. I might go sit in the woods. Might look for otters. Might do nothing. Ooh, ice, ice, ice. Yeah, the deer cut our tracks all the way into camp. Whoa. So beautiful out here. Just cold. There's deer prints on our path just since we walked out. Oh yeah, another one right here. Yeah, there it goes. Deer superhighway back here, right behind camp. Haven't even seen one. They're literally just walking along our walking path. Fresh one.
One going that way, one coming back.
Back at camp, there's so much deer sign up there. We might just go sit up there and bundle up and see if something walks by. Or go hang out by that otter track, one of the two. Well, we were waiting out here for the eagle named Trey that we named it, but he never flew by, so I guess he got a trout earlier. But anyway, gonna cook up some steaks and hit the sack. Gotta get up early tomorrow, big day tomorrow. So well, cooking up a couple steaks, eating some chips and salsa. Gotta be out here at 9 a.m. Bittersweet. But steak's gonna be good, boy. Oh.
And with a huge inventory of parts available for the Harry J. Smith Auto and Truck Repair Facility, even do repairs on RVs.
Get it in there, boy.
I know. If a bird should catch on fire and it's not in there yet, then what do you do?
I think everyone should be able to wear whatever the hell they want.
The after-hours rush on the mountain of pure rock.
Oh, yeah.
Remember the name, Chrissy Man.
Oh, sure.
Get low prices as low as $1.99 a month. Zero down, half.
Whoa. All right, well, we're heading to bed. Listen, if you're ever up in northern Maine at a camp, shovel your deck. The constant back and forth, crushing it down just makes solid ice absolutely unsafe. Look at this. Solid ice just from walking on it all day. Everything else is safe to walk on, but not this, so. But anyway, gonna go to bed nice and full. See you in the morning. All right, well, that's it. What an amazing trip. About to head out, drive down to Bangor. I got a flight at 3:05 at 6 a.m., but it's a hour and a half drive out of the logging roads and then 2-hour drive down dirt, or 2-hour drive down to Bangor. So we got to get moving, but what an amazing trip. Absolutely love this place, and I will definitely be back soon. See you next time.